Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Annie, and I'm so excited to share this new video sa inyo. But before anything else, guys, if hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka if may bago akong videos katulad nito. So guys, for today's video is i-share ko sa inyo kung paano ba mag-process ng account kay Maya. So as we all know, sikat na ngayon si Maya. So we have GCash, Maya, and other platforms na pwede natin gamitin to pay bills, to transfer money. So marami pang pwede natin na gamitin sila. Maraming nagtatag sa akin or nag-a-ask sa akin ng step-by-step process kung paano siya gawin. So paano create ng account kay Maya. I know for sure guys, marami na sa inyo ang alam kung paano siya gawin, but for the sake of subscribers ko na gustong malaman kung paano ba yung step by step and ano ba yung mga requirements and all that stuff. So, I'll created this video sa inyo. Para at least, if may magtanong, sabihin ko na lang na, oh, please check this link para at least malaman nyo kung paano ba mag-create ng account kay Maya. And marami pa tayong mga videos guys na gagawin for Maya, how to get a card or yung physical ATM card kasi pwede kayong magkaroon ng physical card kay Maya. And then paano ba in case you already have an account with Maya and then after nyan nag-create kayo ng another account. So kasi matatag ni Maya if meron na kayong account before. So paano siya i-resolve, ano yung gagawin and everything. So let's hop into the video guys para ma-share ko na sa inyo yung step-by-step process kung paano mag-create ng account kay Maya. So let's hop into the video! So for this one guys, andito na tayo sa how to create an account with Maya. So first thing is we need to add our first name, last name, and email address. So for email address, dyan nila isa-send yung notification sa inyo. So once you already fill out, then you need to press continue para ma-route ka sa next page. So for the next page as well guys, you will receive an email notification. And after nyan is you need to add your phone number. So if you already have an existing account with Maya, please use a different phone number. Kasi makaka-receive ka ng OTP which you will use para ma-verify yung account mo. So next thing, once you already add your password na gusto mong ilagay, is you need to check the terms and condition with Maya. Just read everything guys, scroll ka lang so that you have an idea ano yung mga terms and condition ni Maya. And then, ma-understand mo rin kung paano or how Maya works. So once you already read everything, you just need to click continue. And then there guys is you need to add your data personalization. So dito if you want to add everything like promo rewards, profiling, profile sharing, credit scoring, third-party promos, then you need to enable that one. So once you're okay with it, then enable and then you need to save. So once you already save everything, you will receive a one-time OTP PIN and it will be sent to you via text message. So just wait for the OTP para makareceive ka ng OTP and you can verify your account. So now guys, is na-verify na natin yung account natin and you are in. So welcome to Maya. So you have two options. You can go to home or you can upgrade now. So if you want to upgrade your account, you just need to click upgrade now. Or if you want to go to home, which you want to scroll everything and check everything, then press go to home. So for me guys, I'll go ahead and upgrade my account para please ma-upgrade ka agad natin. So ito yung mga for upgrade. So you need to submit an ID, record a video selfie, enter your personal information, and if updated or if upgraded, yung account mo is ito yung mga makukuha mo. So pwede kang mag-savings account, credit like fast credit. Pwede kang maka-invest kay crypto, send money instantly. So, marami kang ma-use if your account is upgraded. So, once you want to upgrade, you just need to submit an ID. So, pipili ka lang guys kung ano yung ID na meron ka. Driver's license, UMID, national ID, passport, postal ID, PRC, SSS ID, foreign passport, and other ID. So, for other ID, sorry guys, pwedeng NBI, TIN, so government office. So, marami kang pagpipilian guys. If you have one, then just choose one lang kung ano yung meron ka. So, next step is take an ID photo. So, kailangan mong i-picture yung ID mo. So, you need to check if hindi pa expire, yung name and information is correct, and all that stuff. So, we'll go ahead and process, and we need to picture our ID. So, nakalagay dito, go to a bright and evenly lit room, find a plain solid background. So, kailangan is clean. So, yan guys, nagtitake na ako ng selfie. For this part, guys, is you need to fill out your personal information, name, address, date of birth, nationality, and all that stuff. So, kailangan mo lang tong i-fill out, i-complete, para at least yung profile mo is complete din yung information. Once you already double check everything, you just need to click submit para masubmit na yung account mo for review. So, for the review as well, guys, it will take within 24 to 48 hours na pag-review nila sa account mo. So, you need to go to click back to home para ma-route ka again sa account mo. So, ganyan lang guys, kasimple yung pag-create ng account kay Maya. Madali lang talaga siya guys, so long as you have your ID, so long as wala kang other account kay Maya, then wala kang ma-encounter na problem, then you can use your Maya account once ma-verify na yung account nyo. So it will take like 24 to 48 hours to be like para ma-activate talaga siya. So I hope guys na makatulong tong video na to. If you have questions, clarifications, feel free to comment down below. So, para mabasa ko din yung mga comments niyo and makakreate ako ng new videos sa mga questions. And I'll try my very best para ma-answer yung mga concerns niyo below or sa comment section. So, if you also want to create an account with Maya, I'll put the link sa description box para you can go ahead and click that one and then you can start creating your account. So, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video helps and thank you so much. So, see you on my next video guys. Bye!